This tutorial is a brief follow-up to the USD workflow tutorial. This brief tutorial will show you how to work with lights between Blender and Unreal Engine 5. Before we jump into Unreal, we start in Blender with a basic scene. Create the main structural elements of your scene. Set up the initial lights to simulate how the scene should look. For better color matching, you can adjust color management in the Output tab in Blender and set the look to high contrast to match the Unreal visual style. To match the lighting between Blender and Unreal, adjust Unreal's post-processing settings. Add a post-process volume in Unreal by going to Add, Visual Effects, Post-Process Volume, and add it to the scene. In the Details panel, enable Infinite Extent to make it apply globally. Search for exposure in the Details panel. Change the metering mode to manual. Adjust the exposure compensation. Value of between 6 and 8 typically works well, but you may need to tweak this for your scene. It's important to note that Blender uses watts and Unreal uses lumens to determine the power of the lights. I've provided a link in the description for a watts to lumen calculator. I know that my area light is set to 750 watts in Blender, so I use the calculator to determine the equivalent in lumens. In my case, I can just use 9,000 lumens and scale the light. I can now do this for each of the other lights. This pipeline from Blender to Unreal using USD is incredibly powerful for iterative workflows. It allows for quick previews, easy updates, and seamless scene management. By exporting your Blender scene to USD, you can iterate freely and make quick changes. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.